So today I'm gonna clean the pool filter. So these are the two tools I'll be using. So what I gotta do, turn off the pump. Gotta take this apart and clean that. Then take the chamber here apart and also clean that. So the first thing we do is stop the pump. And use the mallet. Clean this out. Now the next thing I gotta do is take this apart. Once I take everything apart, use the hose and wash everything down and then put everything back together. As you can see, the cartridge is pretty filthy. Usually I only have to clean this twice a year. So let me take it apart and wash it down. So it's a simple cleaning process. Just have to use the hose and wash down the cartridge, get it as clean as best as I can, and then after that put everything back together. Okay, so filter is nice and clean. Everything is looking brand new. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together. Let's tighten up. Let me open the valve, make sure that's open, and start. And once water starts coming through here, I'll turn it off and then check for any leaks. The pump is running, no leaks, everything is good. So the last part is to add the dye light to the pool, and that should be the last part. To the pool, and start the pool back after I finish adding it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this to the pool, and that go ahead and coat the cartridge and keep the water nice and clear. And you can see how nice and clear this water is. Okay, that's it for today. LaFunk House.